and Grand Junction has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Mesa County and west central Colorado until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 25 miles east of Castle Valley, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Mesa County, including the following locations: Gateway. This includes Colorado 141 between mile markers 111 and 123. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.